Greetings, family. So, a few days ago, I asked Chat about France and France's economy and what they could do in order for it to be innovative. And then I decided to follow that question up with what, you know, do the same rules of innovation apply to other European countries um, when it comes to finding ways of not relying on resources that come from Africa. And this is what Chat had to say.
Yes, absolutely. The same principles of innovation, sustainability, and equitable economic development apply to all European countries, not just France. Here's how and why. Why it applies to other European countries. Too many European nations, including the UK, Germany, Belgium, the Netherlands, Portugal, Spain, and others, built significant wealth through colonial exploitation, particularly in Africa, Asia, and the Americas. The legacy of that exploitation is still embedded in trade imbalances, resource extraction deals, migration policies, and unequal global supply chains. So, if Europe is serious about creating a just, sustainable future, it must diversify its economic model beyond outdated colonial frameworks. How European nations can innovate without exploiting Africa. 1. Invest in green and regenerative technologies. Solar, wind, hydrogen, and circular economies. Move from extractive to regenerative industries. Become innovation leaders without outsourcing environmental harm. 2. Strengthen domestic capacity. Upskill their own populations through education and vocational training. Develop AI, biotech, and space tech industries at home. Shift from dependency on cheap labor to creating high value ecosystems. 3. Create ethical trade partnerships. Trade with Africa, Asia, and Latin America based on mutual growth, not extraction. Support value added manufacturing within those regions instead of importing raw materials. 4. Reform global finance. Stop manipulating IMF, World Bank, and debt systems in favor of Europe. Support sovereign wealth development in the global south. 5. Honor reparative economic principles. Acknowledge historical exploitation. Invest in infrastructure, education, and healthcare as partners, not neo-colonial actors. Bottom line, just like France, other European countries have the opportunity and moral responsibility to build wealth through innovation that uplifts the global community, not exploits it. And the beautiful thing is, this shift isn't about sacrifice. It's about upgrading the entire system toward fairness, creativity, and longevity.
In the upcoming years, we're going to have to be focused on solving our issues and our problems and be better at being better guardians of this planet and this domain. Anyway, I wanted to go ahead and share what Chad had to say about Western Empire, or at least parts of Western Empire, and we can start moving forward in the direction of seeing a resolution to the world's ills. Anyway, that is it for this evening. May peace and power be with you wherever you go. Blessings, family.